Hey, for sometimes now I've been talking about NaviSmart, and today I want to tell you how our platform works and give you a comparison between our platform and other platform that exist, including search engines as well as conversational search engines. So maybe I go back to telling you what NaviSmart if you are new here, what NaviSmart is. So NaviSmart is an AI-powered platform that simplifies access to immigration information and resources. I believe information is power. Information, and not just information, having the right, correct, reliable information gives you power to make a decision. So our work as a platform is to make sure that we simplify, we remove any complexity, um, any challenges that you may face when you're accessing this information. So your work is to type in what you're looking for. You let our platform makes the search for you, brings you that information, and possibly ask you a follow-up question. So our platform allows you to have a conversation like you would have with someone or a human being. So going back to what I said, that information is power, sometimes you spend more time looking for an information that could easily be available within a minute. Sometimes you have to make use of either legal or paralegal person, and then you have to pay them. So our platform will save the cost of uh, hiring a lawyer when it's not necessary. You only need to get their services when you know that that is the option left. After you gather the information, you made a decision, and then you're able to make a decision in this sense that you're looking for a lawyer. So going back to what you see on the screen, our platform allows you to ask any question that relates to immigration. So this is your AI-powered immigration assistant that answers any question right from when you want to go to a country, assuming you're from maybe Africa coming to US and you're coming for education, you're coming for studies, you're coming for business, or you're coming for personal reason, that include visiting a family member. So you may want to know how do you go about getting the right visa, right information. And so when you have this kind of a tool in your phone, you can simply type what you're looking for, and you'll be able to get a result backed with the source where the information has come from, so you can verify for yourself. So such question may include what are the requirements for a work visa in the US? How can I apply for permanent residency? What the process of family sponsorship? Tell me about citizenship application process and what are the different types of immigration visas. So these are some of questions that you may ask. But I would tell you that our platform would be able to answer any question that you have that relates to immigration. So the next slide, I will tell you what makes the difference between our platform and those already existing platform. And so I look at the high level comparison between NaviSmart, Google, ChatGPT, and DeepSeek. Google is a traditional search engine, others call as conventional search engine. ChatGPT and DeepSeek are conversational search engine. And the comparison builds around these features. For example, NaviSmart is built for immigration. So it's purpose built platform designed specifically for immigration. Now, Google, ChatGPT, or DeepSeek are not meant for that. So they're general search engine, or they have they are not focused on immigration. Now, number two, building NaviSmart, um, it's shaped on the user's feedback. So built and improved based on the feedback that we got from the users based on what we have currently as an MVP. Um, that what makes the difference. In terms of personalization, so our services are tailored for immigration needs, not another need. So it means that it can understand you, our platform can be able to understand you, can be able to personalize the result based on your profile, your history, and your background, and of course, location. Number four is conversational search engine. So our platform is AI-powered conversational search engine. Well, while Google is traditional, key-based, and I just talk about conventional search engine. Uh, ChatGPT and DeepSeek, yes, they are also form part of AI models. Now, I mentioned earlier, and of course, you can see there's a citation providing responses. So we provide responses with the citation. Um, Sometimes for the Google it does. And of course, ChatGPT and DeepSeek, some models do provide that. So another thing is real-time updates. So we provide we made our platform to adopt quickly as much as possible to be able to update immigration based on the changes in regulations and any other update that exists. So for the Google, always updating on the web. But for the ChatGPT or DeepSeek, they need fine-tuning to update data because they're not meant for this. So there are many other things that they need to update that may not be relevant to what you're looking for. And within a short time as much as possible. We focus on user experience. So we simplify our user interface and our user experience. We have a user-friendly application platform that is easy to use. You just need to get in, sign up. Uh, but you can even use it without signing up. So just, have the application, just type in what you're asking without signing up. But if for more in-depth citation and resources, you may be required to sign up. So when you go to multilingual support, it means that we have in US alone, over 50 million immigrants, people who are living in countries in which they were not born. Worldwide, we have 281 million people who are living in countries where they were not born. Um, and number is expected to grow. And if you look at 25% of people living in the US, they don't speak English as their primary language. So there is a need to have um, a platform with the capability of, providing people who are not comfortable in English to be able to speak. So we provide that multilingual support. It's a platform that I believe will change the course of how we get information. Sometimes we rely on information that is passed on to another person, to another person. So what I believe, and this is true, that information passed from one person to another, by the time you get a third person, then it's distorted. It's never be the same again. How about if everyone was to get the same information at the same time? And that is what we are doing. We want to make the process so simple, faster, more affordable, and easier to use that anyone can be able to use